Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer up at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. And we actually have another truck we're getting ready to put on a lot. I wanted to share it with you. This is a 2010 Ford F-350. Now this is a diesel, 6.4 liter engine. It's has twin turbos on it. Now this is a King Ranch. As you can see, it's a dolly on this. So heavy duty truck, you can pull a lot with this. Got the full bed on the back, but I want to show you the trim level and you're going to see why. But this is what is called a King Ranch F-350. It's got the Power Stroke diesel engine, as I said, a 6.4 twin turbos, but does have the dollies on the back. The tread appears to be very good on these tires, and we'll go on the other side and show you that. But it does have tinted windows on it. The running boards are illuminated, so when you open your door, the lights come on right there and right there. So let's go ahead and do our walk around, but you can see the heavy duty grille bumper that is on the front end. I just want to take a moment and show this to you. This is heavy duty. It's been put on aftermarket, of course. But let me back away from here. Very nice looking truck. Go up here and we'll show you the tread on the tires back here. Appears to be new, at least on the outside tread. Walk around here. It does have a backup camera to it. And your camera is right here. And let me go ahead, of course, your hitch and your lighting. Let me go ahead and drop this tailgate down. Okay, you can see it does have a bed liner, and of course this will fold up and this will drop down to have easy access to get up in. But you can see it does have the receiver on here. So full length bed on this. So we'll continue to do our walk around. You can see it does have the FX4 off-road package. Get back here. Get up a little bit closer. We'll show you the inside. This is where the fun happens. Okay guys, leather, brown leather interior. I mean, this is a beautiful truck. You got a couple cup holders back here, two more right there. Show the back seats. And your door panel does have the vinyl, or I'm sorry, not vinyl, the leather here and the wood to match that. Tan cream colored interior. Okay, here we'll take a look up front. And you do have the power seats on this. It does have a sunroof, so I'll get in here in just a moment. We'll open this up, but I'll show you the door up here, and let's go ahead and hop on the inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. Show you around a little bit. It does have an LCD display, and that's where your rear view camera will display. So let me get in here closer, show you the gauges. Now the mileage on this as of now is 205,873. So given the fact it's a diesel, that's not bad whatsoever. Now on your steering wheel, you do have cruise control here on the left. And on the right, it does have Bluetooth capability. It'll hook up to your smartphone. So you will have information with your audio control and voice activated right there. Now over here, you can see this button will actually open and close the rear, which is back here. And you do have your control shift on the fly for your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive here. And up here, you do have click on, for example, your radio right there. And you get down here, you do have climate control. It does have dual zone, and it does have heated seats, ladies and gentlemen. So come winter time, you're really going to enjoy that. The button right here will actually make your foot pedals come up closer to you or go further away. So that's a cool feature. Open this up, you do have two cup holders there in addition to the two with chrome plates here. And this is a storage area. We'll open up. So let's go ahead and look up here. The cover will open up, and there is your sunroof with your control to open and close the sunroof, because it does open right there. So looking in the back seat area, there is a lot of space here, ladies and gentlemen. All kinds of leg room here, but you do have storage capacity here also. And one additional thing I wanted to show you, on your door right here, you do have a 2-position memory for your seat, so 2 different people can get in here, hit the button, and the seat will readjust to that position. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's a 2010 Ford F-350, a 6.4 liter twin turbo diesel engine in it, King Ranch trim level, dually. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us up here, 740-992-4443. Have a great day.